Hello, this is me again. We have a Samsung dryer. It's make a humming noise. No tumbling, no spin, nothing. So let's see. And that's it. So in this case, most common, most problem have a bad motor, faulty motor. So the motor need to replace. So when you take a look, so we can spin. So the belt is fine. But it's not tumbling, it's not started. Anyhow, so stay with me. I'm gonna take apart everything, then I show the issue. Thank you. All right, so I take apart so the drum, front panel, everything. The way I say it is not spinning. It was a bad motor, but let me correct myself. So let's see. Look, it's not spinning. So if it was a bad motor, still it should be spin. It should be loose. So either way, left to right. But it's right here. Let me see. This is a bad guy. You know, this is the this is sucks. So when it's stuck between the blower fans, it's not moving, making humming noise. This is just the case. So if it was a lucky, this should be easy fix. So something, clothes, socks, small. I used to face with kids clothing, something. Most of the time socks. Then sometimes pencil. It doesn't matter. Sometimes it's stuck between right here in the blower, so it's not gonna spin. If this was the case, so it was the fans spin really good, then we have two more. You need to test the starter or the motor. So this part or the motor. So once you put it on the hands on them, it should be if it was a bad motor, it was hot somehow, then, but if it was a normal, which I see is normal, it should be okay. I'm not gonna put everything back. I'm just gonna show you a quick video, see how it works, but please don't try it. So I just try to show you how gonna start it. Just stay with me. Ready. I just plug it in, so we're ready for test. And let's see how it works. There we go. Then so I just put lid lock. Just do it manually, show you guys the result. So I'm just gonna keep this one and start. Once you click noise, so the only thing which I need to do, just lift this one. Alrighty. I hope this video help out. If you're facing with this issue, something gonna be like this. Hopefully, this is the easy fix. Take the part. It was right here on the fans. Take it out, and you should ready to go. Thanks for watching.